Hi, my name is Mike with 5 Star Home Services. We are here to give you some helpful advice on your new heat pump. You may hear noises or see steam rising from your equipment, and we are here to provide insight into why your equipment is doing that.
Do you see what you think is smoke coming out of your heat pump? Well, don't worry, it's not. It's simply steam coming from the warm air hitting the cold air outside during the defrost cycle on your heat pump. You may see steam or hear unusual noises during the cycle, but what's happening is a pressure release as the compressor shuts off, and it's working to melt any ice that may have built up on your heat pump. Your heat pump will use the outside temperature to know when to turn on the defrost cycle. It may happen multiple times throughout the day to ensure that your heat pump is working properly. The defrost cycle may take up to 10 minutes. So if you hear any unusual noises or see steam coming out of it, that is perfectly normal and nothing to worry about.
With all that said, your defrost cycle should last up to 10 minutes. However, if questions arise, please give us a call at 833-405-8009, or you can contact us on our website at my5starhomeservices.com, and we can take a look at your equipment to ensure that it's working correctly.